Here we have Terra Luna symbol LUNA versus the dollar. I wanted to do a follow-up on this video from the last one on Monday and the one before that, the last prior week, and the one before that, of which we've been saying very likely a move back around prior all-time highs at about 103 or so. And then upon validation above about, what was it? About 103 on a daily closure, I would be looking for continuation of new all-time highs. And that's kind of where we're at right now. Now, the drive of hidden bullish evidence confirmed on the daily RSI. Since we last spoke, and volatility expanding off of the lows, which is a really, really powerful signal. Daily Jewel, also another fresh signal a few days ago before the breakout. So I am generally looking up and to the right here. Fibonacci extension based off the prior macro base, and also a technical target based off of this as an ascending triangle formation, short-term-ish. Maybe for the next week to week and a half, looking somewhere between about 118 and a quarter to 125 or so. I would be looking for maybe a short-term pullback from there, but long-term there is actually a macro higher target. Oh my God. Okay. Maybe go to a weekly instead. There's a macro higher target, assuming that the weekly does confirm above about $1.03, which so far so good, but it is still another 4 days left in the trading week to go. And that would actually have, a much higher implied target, closer to like 190 to 200 bucks in the next month or two to come. Let's go check out what stochastic momentum looks like over here upon that break, and then offer up an invalidation as well. But for right now, very, very good. Yep, daily stochastic momentum did play off the trend line that we've been having since February, early February, and it's going to be upside angled as long as this one's closed above 97.33 weekly. Vertical above 70, 5 days going to be vertical above like 85. Yep. Monthly is still up above 93 as well. So, this one is going to pull, you're probably going to see some pretty decent pullbacks relatively soon, but I do think that this one does try higher before that happens. Short-term timeframes, bit of sideways here is fine. But now we need to talk about an invalidation, and where would that essentially be? That would be below, what is this, 94 bucks, or if you want to be super safe, then 90 and a quarter, which probably should run with that. If you do see below 90 and a quarter, I'd say that it's going to be one massive bull trap, and you're going to see big bad moves down to like 70 to 75. But for right now, it's probably it's among the best charts. I think we saw one other chart which was just as good, or maybe even slightly better, but this is again among the best charts that we've seen today. And then I think the weekly kind of just speaks for itself here. Hidden bullish divergence, back in the bullish control zone, back above the exponential, volatility expanding off of relative lows here, and weekly Jewel support for like the last month and a half. So I'm going to I'm gonna likely say up into the up into the right, assuming that invalidations don't get hit. So pretty damn good. Short-term time frames, a little bit of sideways here is fine. Below 102 would be short-term concerning, likely be getting another move down towards 98 to 99, but it's not. I don't know if that's super concerning to you or not. Anyways, hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Luna, sirs and zers.